It's such a gloomy day, but already the scenery is really impressive. I think I'm going to enjoy this trip. These epic limescale cliffs rise out of the waters like nature's skyscrapers. Each cliff is shaped over millions of years. The Halong Bay is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a beautifully tranquil place with hundreds of islands and caves to explore. Even in this gloomy weather, the water still looks a beautiful emerald green. This is the first stop. But I've decided to stay on the boat and enjoy the peace and quiet, because it really is quite wonderful and tranquil. So everybody's getting off the boat to walk along the beach and then climb up to the pagoda. And if you look carefully,